Shauna Controlla, formerly known as Shauna Chin, is fed up with the music industry and feel as if she's not getting the recognition that she deserves. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today Shauna Chin made a post on her IG and she posted a video and a caption. You know I always have the video and I have the caption. Now that video was a silent video. I don't know what she was saying or what was going on, where she was in the video, none of that, but that doesn't matter because she put it all in the caption what she wanted to say. So we're gonna read what she said, right? So she said, don't see the glitter and the gold and think it's easy. Don't make the background and the money trick you. I want to make my own money in the business. Now I have invested more than a lot of people in myself over the years. So like she didn't want to say she invests more in her people than herself, but maybe I'm wrong still. Let's continue. And the system keep coming for me for what I don't know. It brings anyone down to get a rise. Why is it that people see me only on social network and make up them mind say them not support me? How is that? I've sung religious song, real life story, independence, about love, about sex. Why when I do negative things it get a bigger impact and forward, but positivity and strength is not worthy in Jamaica? I'm tired of it all. I'm tired of you judging me. I'm tired of you thinking that I'm not worth it. I'm tired of you just listening and watching my videos. Then say I got to get a it. What's a it? Nowadays, cause amount of it me it. And wanna still want hold me stagnant. What's your take on my career? Voice, looks, movement. Hashtag Controlla boss. Now we know Shauna Chin have definitely been through a lot. Me I talk about musically and me I talk about, you know, where social media is concerned. She's one of the person that will get a lot of criticism. You know what I mean? She even do this Sumfest thing and people beat her for that. People had a problem with her performance. And, you know, then she lose her account, her Instagram account. So we just see, and things go on and on. You know, before that there was a lot of other things. So she are definitely one of the people. And not to mention a big name change. I did a video upon that too. You saw me, I say, so if you want to know, if you don't know and you want to know why she had to change her name, I did a video on that as well. You see me, I say you can find it. I'll put that in this video. All right. But one thing, people, me definitely like some of Shauna Chin music. Not all of them I don't know, but like Dreamland, I thought that was a pretty good song. You see what I say? I'm think Controlla Button was a pretty good song. But then it already hard for the female artists them, so she a fight a double fight. People more know what to think. Anybody here will support Shauna Chin, you see what I say? Any of Shauna Chin fans they here, who can comment, and if she see this, she can know say, yo, not give up yet. Because people out there will support her. I know say she knows that people support her, you know. But I not tell no lie, people. It's hard to see the good when time the negative did it. You see what I say? You're supposed to see the good now. Like for example, right? If you put up a video and 10 people dislike it, you gotta remember them 10 people and you can't remember say 200 like it, you know. You not keep the number there, you just keep the 10 or dislike it. You see me I say, which is wrong. That was just an example, you know what I mean? If you are thinking upon a different magnitude. So that's how it go. But hold your head, sister, because you know what I mean, and I see him there, leave drop of water at rotten. So for your time will come. You see me? Enough people out there do music years and years. And I just that one song there. The song where they never like or expect, I do it for them. You see me? So you never know when the tables might turn. And God not give nobody more than what them can bear. So go on hold your head, Shauna Chin. Other than that, I want to get in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about Shauna Chin and Shauna Chin music. And if any fan there like me say, you just, you know what I mean, send her the motivation what she need. So other than that, big up yourself. It's Dancehall IG. And if you haven't liked and followed this page, if it's your first time, please like and follow this page for daily updates. And if you're watching on YouTube and it's your first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for daily updates. Thank you.